If you're planning a trip to Hong Kong and Macau, don't miss the new Bib Gourmand establishments in the Michelin Guide Hong Kong and Macau 2024. In Gourmet Paradise, Hong Kong, let's start with An Choi, a Vietnamese establishment run by a Chinese-Vietnamese couple. Their banh mi sandwiches come in an array of fillings, and varying versions of pho are made according to different regional traditions. Cheong Hing Gay at Tim Sha Tsui is known for more than just the Shanghai pan-fried pork soup buns. This shop serves varieties of the snack including shrimp, mala pork, truffle, crab meat, and roe. Then, come over to Sankei Foods in the Western District for its Chichao-style marinated goose that boasts a firm texture and meaty flavor. Don't forget to try the goose blood and offal too. Now we go to the creative city of gastronomy, Macau. If you're craving something authentically Macanese, try Restaurant Litoral in Taipa, where Portuguese and Macanese classics are served. Order the carne a lentejana, which marries the umami of fresh clams and pork cubes with bold seasoning, or the African chicken coated in shredded coconut and caramelized onion. Lastly, sample authentic Shin Tak cuisine at Sun Tekong. Their signature creamy fish soup displays exquisite knife-work, first-rate ingredients, and rich, slow-simmered broth. Also try the sticky rice with sakura shrimps and pine nuts in a cast-iron pot. What other dishes are you excited to try in the new selection? Let us know in the comments section below.